Hello and welcome to BNS Nature Ways. Coughing is the common problem that affects the body often. Especially in winter, you tend to have phlegm-filled lungs which block not just your windpipe but also cause tremendous irritation in your throat. In case you experience severe, uncontrolled, repeated cough, it is better to consult your physician. This kind of cough will lead to severe illness if left unattended. The illnesses one can be in risk of are pneumonia, influenza and chronic bronchitis. If you are suffering from a common cold and cough, you can try some acupressure points to relieve yourself from cough. Not only the acupressure points for a cough, but any pain relief requires a similar application where the location of the points may change. How to treat is as simple as walking, but only when you aren't an infant. Find the acupressure point correctly, press on it with firm force and massage for a couple of minutes. Use thumb whenever it is possible. Otherwise, use the next two fingers of the hand. This is because these three fingers can induce necessary firmness and force with a proper sense of application. There are a handful of acupressure points which work for cough treatment. Before you begin stimulating the acupressure points for cough treatment, practice few cycles of Breathsoul Breathing. Breathsoul Breathing helps to detoxify your body and also strengthens the immune system of our body. So when our immune system is strong, it helps our body to fight against any kind of diseases. To practice Breathsoul Breathing, make yourself comfortable. Make sure your body posture is straight. Inhale through your nose for 5 seconds, expanding your chest and stomach. Then hold for 5 seconds. Then exhale through your mouth slowly for 5 seconds. This will complete one cycle of Breathsoul Breathing. Like this, you can practice at least 10 cycles. Then you can start stimulating the acupressure points. Remember to continue practicing Breathsoul Breathing while you stimulate the acupressure points. The first point is Stomach 36, 3-mile point. Stomach 36 or ST36 is the most popular pressure point for the common ailments. It can treat several problems like toothache, stress relief, and ineffective digestion. It is located a handbreadth below the knee, lateral to the shin bone. Apply firm pressure for a considerable period. Try this 2 to 3 times a day for better results. Do not put excessive pressure. The next point is Heavenly Pillars, B10. Heavenly Pillars are the two symmetric points located on either side of the spine, 3 inches apart from each other. They are a ½ inch below the skull base. Apply pressure for 7 to 8 minutes 3 times a day. It also works for burnouts, stress relief, and sore throats. In the remedies for cough, it is the best one out of all the acupressure points for cough, as it could help in treatment of many related problems. The next point is Elegant Mansion or K27. In the hollow under the collarbone, beside the breastbone, K27 pressure point is located. Along with cough treatment, the Elegant Mansion or K27 works for shoulder and neck pain, throat problems, thyroid disorders, etc. The next point is CV22, Heaven Rushing Out Point. This particular point lies in the middle of clavicles above sternum, that is the breastbone. As a treatment for cough, CV22 stands out to be the best suggestion. Press on the point for about 1 minute or wait for the relief from cough. Do not apply too much pressure. Your throat may start choking if you press it with deep force. The next point is LU5, that is the lung 5 point. Lung 5 or LU5 lies in the depression of the elbow right beside the bone of your hand. You can sense this hollow when you fold the hand a bit. Place your thumb in the gap and close the elbow further. Hold the hand with all your fingers around the elbow for support. Hold it for a couple of minutes. Remember to practice breathsoul breathing while doing this. The next point is Lu8, that is the lung 8 point. The lung 8 or Lu8 acupressure point is in the hollow present just below the pulsing nerve on your wrist. Lu8 works in clearing phlegm and in treatment of sore throat also. Acupressure for cough relief works quicker than any other treatment, and this acupoint proves it practically. The next point is kidney 6 point. KD6 is on the ankle, an inch below the medial malleolus point on the ankle bone. It is in the depression of two tendons. Along with KD6, if we try on another point, Lu7 or lung 7, these acupressure points work for cough and sore throat. Lung 7 is present in thumb side on the hand wrist, an inch below the thumb in the gap of two tendons. Phlegm and cold are relieved by opening chest to this point, which makes these above lung points become the best combination of acupressure points for cough. The next point is Ding Chuan. It helps in asthma. This point is in popular use as a remedial acupuncture or acupressure point for cough relief. The original Chinese name has been in use for this acupoint, that is stop asthma. In severe cases, a cough might be the prior symptom of asthma or any respiratory diseases. The same point has great use in acupuncture technique, which is again a similar alternative medication. Ding Chuan is located on the lower border of the spinous process on the back. The next point is Jianjing, GB21 pressure point. Jianjing point or GB21 is the acupressure point located on your shoulders. To locate the point, you can move your fingers near the midpoint of your shoulder region. Move your fingers 2 to 3 inches down the mentioned point and massage it well with your thumb and your middle finger. The pressure point is used to treat neck pains, shoulder and back pains, headaches, and also tooth pain. When it comes to the relief of cough in particular, it helps in lowering the phlegm and removing any abnormal nodules that are present in the throat. Not that acupressure points for cough do not work well, we have to maintain the body condition perfectly, resistive to any future problems and possible side effects. For that matter, we need to take care of food and physical practice of our daily routine. Try to be cautious about your respiratory system and throat health. It affects the sensitive things like phlegm, cold, etc., which become causes of a cough, asthma, and several other issues. Better to avoid chill drinks if you're sensitive throat, and do not neglect diet patterns, as they have a major role to play once you start facing problems related to the respiratory system. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you a healthy life forever.